Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the ceremonial procession and remain standing for the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Guest of Honor, Mr. Kenneth Lim, Board Member of Singapore Maritime Institute and Ministry Chief Information Officer and Chief Data Officer at the Ministry of National Development, Professor Chua Kee Chiang, President of SIT, Professor Stephanie Glendinning, Pro-Vice Chancellor of Faculty of Science, Agriculture and Engineering, Newcastle University, senior management and representatives from Singapore Institute of Technology and Newcastle University, donors, industry partners, distinguished guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Convocation 2025. Today, we celebrate the dedication and achievements of our graduates on this momentous occasion. Let's give them a round of applause. Our guest of honor this morning is Mr. Kenneth Lim, Board Member of Singapore Maritime Institute and Ministry Chief Information Officer and Chief Data Officer at the Ministry of National Development. Mr. Lim will now deliver the convocation address. Mr. Lim, please.
Professor Chua Kee Chiang, President, SIT, Professor Stephanie, Pro-Vice Chancellor of the Faculty of Science, Agriculture and Engineering, Newcastle University faculty members, distinguished guests, proud families of the graduating classes and graduates of the class of 2025. Good morning. I know you are excited today to receive your scroll and celebrate this important milestone. That's why the university put the congratulatory speech at the beginning to keep you at your seat for a moment more. I have the privilege of seeing marvelous works of engineers in my previous role in PSA, Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore, and my current post at the Ministry of National Development, where the ministry oversees agencies including HDB, NParks, BCA, and URA. We have first-class physical infrastructure, such as the Tuas Port, Changi Airport, HDBs, and not forgetting that we are also a chemical and semiconducting hub. I'm therefore honored to join you, our future engineers, at the SIT Convocation 2025 to celebrate your remarkable achievement as the class of 2025. I would like to start off by sharing a quote by Nikola Tesla. "The present is theirs. The future, for which I really work, is mine. Today, that future belongs to you. And as engineers, you are the change makers of our modern world, the ones who turn impossible dream into reality." Think about the engineers who design the water systems that bring clean water to us every morning, or the marine engineers who design ships that safely transport goods across oceans, connecting economies worldwide. Every comfort, every safety measures, every technology we take for granted exists because an engineer somewhere took the first bold step to solve a problem that seems unsolvable. Today, we commemorate you having earned your place among these giants. And among you are the pioneer cohort of the Bachelor of Engineering with honors in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering. Can I see a hand where you are now? All right. You are making history as the first graduates of this unique program. And sitting here are also graduates from the electrical power. Where are you? Mechanical design and manufacturing engineering. Naval architecture and marine engineering. And last but not least, the chemical engineering. Each one of you have worked incredibly hard to get here, and your real adventure is just beginning. I want to take a moment next to share with you the relevance of what you have benefited from the SIT Applied Learning and Industry-Focused Pedagogy. Firstly, what does the industry need in an engineer? The answer is that the world is facing unprecedented challenges right now. Climate change, urbanization, energy security, aging infrastructure. These aren't just headlines. They are urgent problems waiting for your innovative minds and skills to solve them. Your journey at SIT has prepared you uniquely for this moment. Beyond the studied theory, you have been getting your hands solving real-world problems through your integrated work-study program. You have spent months in companies not as observers, but as contributors, as problem solvers, as engineers. Take your fellow graduate, Ng Zi Lung. Inspired by his seafarer father's stories, He chose to follow his passion for ships and maritime engineering. Today, he is a stability approval engineer with the American Bureau of Shipping, where every calculation he makes, every design he approves, keeps seafarers safe in the ocean. Then there's also Jerome Goh, who faced the challenge of dyslexia and multiple university rejections. Jerome didn't allow setbacks to define him. At SIT, he found his calling in mechanical design and manufacturing engineering during his industry attachment at ST Microelectronics. He tackled semiconductor production challenges, solutions that now powers the smartphones, computers, and devices we use every day. Jerome proved that the persistence and passion can overcome any obstacle. As Thomas Edison once said, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. You have already put in that perspiration. Now, it's time for you to inspire the world with your solution. Having shared with you how you have benefited from SIT unique pedagogy, I want to next remind you that your graduation today isn't the end of learning. It's your launch pad into a lifetime of innovation and continuous growth. And you have heard this many, many times, lifelong learning. And I want to assure you that that is the truth, that the workplace will become your new laboratory, where you'll hone new skills, re-skills as technology evolves, and making a lasting difference in whatever ecosystem you join. Some of you have already started making that difference. Tan Yong Kang and Vigo To contributed actively in an R&D program called the Future Ship and System Design Program during their internship. Launched in 2024, SIT was awarded $20 million to lead this program, with Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore, MPA, and Maritime Institute as key partners to focus on electric hovercraft design, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and improving operational efficiency. Their work is helping Maritime Singapore, leading the world in sustainable maritime technology. Another of your fellow graduate, Muhammad Ifan Ali bin Janil Hussein, designed a virtual reality training module during his industry attachment at a global shipping company called CMA CGM that was so innovative that the company officially adopted, and today, as a fleet officer, he is using the same creative, problem-solving mindset to improve vessels' operations. Remember, innovation isn't just about having brilliant ideas. It's about implementing them to solve real problems and improve real lives. And you may be thinking how you could contribute and co-create the future for Singapore and the world. As Albert Einstein said, try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. What are some ways you can do that? Singapore is positioning itself as a global innovation hub, and your contribution are what will support us in making our mark. Beyond traditional roles, you'll be at the forefront of developing renewables, energy systems, designing smart cities, creating sustainable transportation, and building resilient infrastructure. The sustainability sector alone will generate 55,000 new jobs by 2030. These are opportunities waiting for you. Take Chan Ming Ho, now 52, who pursued his degree at SIT at age 49 after 3 decades in the power sector. For his final year project, he helped test and validate a solar monitoring system that now tracks the performance of solar panels across SIT Punggol's campus building, contributing to Singapore's renewable energy goals. He was promoted immediately after graduation, reflecting that it is never too late to grow, learn, and contribute to a better tomorrow. Graduates of the class 2025, you now join the ranks of engineers who are shaping not just Singapore's future, but the world's future. As you step into your career, I encourage you to carry 3 values. Gratitude for the mentors, families, and friends who supported your learning and for supporting your learning journey. Innovation. Never stop asking what if and why not, and be humbled to learn. And lastly, pay it forward. Uplift others as you grow, mentor the next generation, and share your knowledge generously. Engineering is not about just building things. It's also about building families, building solutions, building a world where everyone can thrive. Stay curious, stay humble, and never stop learning. The future needs engineers who can adapt, innovate, and collaborate across boundaries. You have the skills, the passion, and the hands-on experience to make it happen. I therefore congratulate you once again, class of 2025. The future is yours to build. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lim. Professor Chua Kee Chiang, President SIT, and Professor Stephanie Guidinings, Pro Vice Chancellor of Faculty of Science, Agriculture and Engineering, Newcastle University, will now present the awards and certificates to the graduates. Professor Chua and Professor Guidinings, please. May I present the graduates of the following degrees: Bachelor of Engineering in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering. Recipient of the Royal Institute of Naval Architects Award for the Best Capstone Project and the Society of Naval Architects and Marine Engineers Singapore Award for the Most Outstanding Student, Tan Chia Sing. Recipient of the Chu Chao Bing Outstanding Student Award in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering and the Society of Naval Architects and Marine Engineers Singapore Award for the Most Outstanding Student, Tan Yong Kang. Recipient of the Institute of Marine Engineering, Science and Technology Award for the Most Improved Student, Atika Nur Umaira binti Abdul Bakar. Recipient of the Royal Institute of Naval Architects Award for the Best Capstone Project, Chen Chun-Tze. Recipient of the Society of Naval Architects and Marine Engineers Singapore Award for the Most Outstanding Student, Chua Yi Chuan Aaron. Recipient of the Institute of Marine Engineering, Science and Technology Award for the Most Improved Student, Ho Wei Ling. Recipient of the Institute of Marine Engineering, Science and Technology Award for the Most Improved Student, Lim Zheng Han. Recipient of the Bureau Veritas Marine Singapore Outstanding Student Award in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering, Ng Zi Long. Recipient of the Royal Institute of Naval Architects Award for the Best Capstone Project, Ryan Leong Kai Chi. Adrian Ng Ho Chun. Ali Mahmud. Amirul Saifiq bin Muhammad. Akus Lau Yong Jie. Arif Izzat bin Abdul Razak. Brian Teo Boon Yang. Caleb Cha Wen Da. Chan Wen Xiang Somsak. Chin Qing Jing. Chu Hui Shan. Gary Kwek Ray Siang. Go Chun Ho. Harris bin Hazri. Ho Su Jie. Jamie Castellani bin Wayne Hasbian. Joel Prasan, son of Rajaratnam. Keegan Yu Si Kai. Ki Dun Hua. Khalili Afza bin Muhammad Ketzer. Kim Dong Nyok. Lee Ren Kiet. Leong Jin Ray. Lee Zhen. Long Yun Xuan Ginny. Mongyat Tet Lin Richard Lim. Muhammad Aslan bin Muhammad Khamis. Muhammad Fawaz bin Muhammad Kasim. Muhammad Haizat bin Jasino. Muhammad Hafi bin Arifin. Muhammad Ifanali bin Jahir Hussein. Muhammad Zulfakar bin Unos. Ong Yi Sing. Rifan bin Muhammad Salinin. Rohin Raj, son of Kalimutu. Subhada Vaitanadan. Syed Naval bin Syed Azizan. Teo Ai Ching. Teo Shi Hao. Teo Ziping Vigo. Tok Chun Liang Darrell. Vineshwaran, son of Paryasamy. Virendra Prasad, son of Murali Dharan. Xavier Kim Boon Keng. Xavier Lo Sun Hui. Yang Yi Ge. Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical Power Engineering. Recipient of the SIT Keppel Gold Medal, Chi Jing Cheng Kif. Abdul Latif bin Muhammad Abdullah. Alan Ho Chi Lun. Avinesh, son of Tamasilan. Brian Cheng, Zhuang Zhenhao. Chan Ming Ho. Cha Wen Han Colin. Chen Ka Yi. Chong Cheng Hong. Chu Tek Heng. Cindy Tiang Xing Yu, Clement Yo Ziwei, Dave Ryan Bellon McCarpinek, Dexter Chua Jin Chen, Dorothy Lee Hui Zi, Douglas Neo Ray Young, Eve Tan Yi, Farrell Izzwan bin Ibrahim, Gabriel Lo Xuan Kai, Glenn Chin Yo Jun, Gloria Kwek Li Ya, Goh Chin Hong, Goh Yak Ming, Ho Chi Jun, Ho Rong En, Huang Weizhi, Iqbal Rusyadi bin Rosani, Izzuddin bin Osman, Jack Lee, Jasper Ng Yong Wen, Jolene Tay Jie Er, Justin Chua Wei Jie, Kate Ka Ek, Kwa Yi Ta Darren, Kong Tet San, Lee Yi Heng, Li Lin Fong, Lee Shin Yi Melody, Lee Zheng Rui, Leong Ching Rong, Lim Hui Fong, Lim Jun Ling, Lin Xin Jie, Matthew Goh Ray Bin, Muhammad Nazir bin Muhammad Amin, Muhammad Saifiq bin Muhammad Noor, Muhammad Hairi bin Muhammad Haironsa, Muhammad Mujib bin Muhammad Nazir, Muhammad Mohan bin Samad, Muhammad bin Abdul Rahim, Muhammad Haikal bin Iskandar. Muhammad Harid bin Yazid. Muhammad Hasni Fajri bin Omar. Muhammad Hasmin bin Hanif. Muhammad Haziq bin Kamruddin. Muhammad Nuharis bin Hashim. Nakib bin Dalan. Nehemiah Chan Zhi Hong. Yoju Sylvester. Zhen Han Wesley. Zhi Wen. Noor Ahmad bin Noor Azlan. Noor Muhammad Fasli bin Noor Aslan. Nurin Musida binti Muhammad Rosman. Ong Yen Jie. Xin Xiaoying. Sean Ong Wei Chong. Sheikh Mubarak bin Sheikh Viro Hafi. Xiao Yi Elijah. Siti Aida binti Abdullah. Sri Riddhi Rao. Tan Hong Jun, Tan Jia Jun Kyo, Tan Jia Ming, Tan Kai Jie Ashley, Tan Kia Wei, Tan Xing Kai, Teo Ka Hao Sean, Teo Tien Sing, Tong En Tong, Vimarani Avivanathan Koku, Wang Guanghuang Derek, Wong Xianxuan Alphonsus, Yo Yi Min, Xenia Ng Wei Xuan, Zuhusni bin Zulkifli, Bachelor of Engineering in Marine Engineering, Pak Wen He, Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Design and Manufacturing Engineering, Anakumar Hari, Empalagan Sriram, Zahari Asman, Catalan Jaslyn May Torres. Chu Rui Ying. Chin Leon. Chua Yu Wei. Darren Neo. Dewey Sandra binti Norman. Edgar Wee Wei Chun. Edwin Go Jing Wei. Eugene Ku Jin Wei. Go Ching Chen. Hannah binti Muhammad Yusuf. Hareshvaran Gunasilan. Ho Sheng Wei. Irwan Shah bin Rajab. Izzat bin Razali. Jenny Ling Ayomi. Jerome Nathaniel Go. Jetro Lim Zi Heng. Justin Ang Ling Jie. Kan Chang Kai. Kwan Wan Lin Alisa. Lata Eunice, daughter of Arumugam M. Lee Ho Ming. Lee Hong Xian. Lee Zhongxian, Omega. Lim De Hui. Lim Yan Chen. Lai Jin Wu. M. Selvakumar. Malcolm Leong Chang Yi. Manishpal Singh Dali. Marvin Sim Tu Siang. Mavis Chong Mei Yi. Muhammad Abdullah Muhammad Zakaria. Muhammad Ashraf, son of Muhammad Mustafa. Muhammad Akil bin Suhaimi. Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Manif. Muhammad Haziq bin Zulkifli. Muhammad Ishaq bin Jumahat. Muzibur Rahman bin Sakana. Ng Hui Jun. Noel Tam Zhi Cheng, Nur Sabrina binti Johar, Wee Wei Chuan Denzel, Po Yong Jie, Renee Matilda Kong Si Wai, Renfred Lim Zhen Yang, Rudy Ehsan bin Alice Hassan, Ryan Tan Sing Xuan, Xia Yao Min, Sim Yue Jin Darren, Siti Nurhanisa binti Sariman, Sayarhiran Ramadan bin Muhammad Fares, Sahir Noor Ikram bin Salim, Tan Jin Eun, Tan Lee Yi Patrina, Tan Sing Ping Michelle, Teo Hing Chuan, Teh Zi Xiang, Toh Si Ying Selina, Vernon Tan Kiat Zun, William Tan Wei Ren, Yap Kian Hui Benjamin. Zachariah Ethan Elliot Ng Hong Wai. Bachelor of Engineering in Naval Architecture. La Nuwani Shri Aloka Parina. This concludes the presentation of graduates. Thank you, Professor Chua and Professor Gladinings.
Ladies and gentlemen, the awards presented today have all been made possible through the generosity of our donors. To our donors, thank you for your thoughtful philanthropy. Your support has encouraged and inspired our students and graduates to continue to seek excellence wherever they go. The valedictorian for this ceremony is Ng Zhiwen, who graduates with a Bachelor of Engineering with honors in Electrical Power Engineering. Zhiwen will now deliver the valedictorian speech. Zhiwen, please.
Good morning to our distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Kenneth Lim, Board Member of Singapore Maritime Institute, and Ministry Chief Information Officer and Chief Data Officer at Ministry of National Development. Professor Chua Ki Kiang, President of SIT, Professor Stephanie Glendening, Pro Vice Chancellor of Faculty of Science, Agriculture, and Engineering, Newcastle University. Faculty members, SIT and Newcastle University, families and friends, and my fellow graduates. It's an honor to stand before you today to represent the class of 2025. This moment marks the accumulation of years of hard work, challenges, and growth. Our time at SIT has been demanding yet meaningful, from heavy coursework and long lab sessions to group projects that tested our patience and perseverance. Every experience has shaped us into the engineers we are today. For those of us in electrical power engineering, one project stands out the most, the buggy project. What started as a straightforward project quickly turned into weeks of troubleshooting, broken circuits, and relentless problem solving. Through it all, we learned some of our most valuable lessons: teamwork, persistence, and the ability to stay composed when things did not go to plan. Our learning did not stop in the classroom. Industry attachments and capstone projects have gave us a new perspective, allowing us to experience firsthand what it means to be an engineer in the real world. For the first time, we faced problems without textbook solutions, collaborated with professionals from diverse backgrounds, and navigated challenges that required both creativity and resilience. These experiences tested our technical knowledge, but most importantly, they taught us the value of communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. They also pushed us to step outside our comfort zones and take initiative in unfamiliar situations, preparing us to meet the demands of our future careers. Beyond the academic and professional challenges, we also shared countless moments that define our daily lives at SIT, from late night study sessions to long group meetings, and even the tense moments before exams. We were reminded that we were never alone in this journey. Through these experiences, we grew, not just as students, but as friends, collaborators, and future professionals. Now, none of this would have been possible without the people around us. To our professors, thank you for your guidance, your high standards, and your constant belief in what we could achieve. to the lab technicians and support staff who kept everything running smoothly behind the scenes, thank you for making our learning possible. To our families and friends, thank you for your support, your sacrifices, and your patience with us during the busiest times. And to my fellow graduates, thank you for supporting each other throughout this journey. As we step forward from this chapter, let us carry the lessons we have learned, the friendships we have built, and the confidence to face the challenges ahead. Together, we made it. Once a citizen, always a citizen. Congratulations, class of 2025.
Thank you, Zhiwen. Professor Stephanie Glendinning, Pro-Vice-Chancellor of Faculty of Science, Agriculture and Engineering, Newcastle University, will now deliver the congratulatory address. Professor Glendinning, please.
Good morning, everyone. As has been said, my name is Professor Stephanie Glendinning, and I am the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for the Faculty of Science and Engineering at Newcastle University. And it is my great privilege to welcome you to this convocation ceremony here in the wonderful surroundings of Ho B Auditorium to celebrate the awarding of undergraduate degrees in engineering. Today, you're making history, as this marks the very first SIT Newcastle ceremony to be held in this brand new and impressive venue, part of SIT's landmark campus in the Punggol Digital District. For us, graduation ceremonies are the highlight of our university year. They are joyous, colourful occasions when you earn the right to proudly wear the robes which symbolise the award of your academic qualifications and celebrate your fantastic achievements with your family, friends and tutors. I remember my first graduation ceremony very clearly. Sat in a hall a little like this one, and I remember the excitement that we all felt, standing at the gateway of our new lives, with an overriding feeling of we made it, and the sense of immense possibility. Whatever the degree you are being awarded here today, you will have had a very different experience of university education from me. You began your studies in the aftermath of a global pandemic, a time of recovery, adaptation, and uncertainty. And you've dealt with the lasting impact of that disruption, alongside rapid shifts in technology and global instability. Through it all, you've shown resilience, adaptability, and determination. And today, you graduate not in spite of those challenges, but because you faced them head on. And the world you graduate into is in such a state of change, with international trade and the rules-based international order all under threat and global conflict. The world I was graduating into was just about to experience financial turmoil and huge fluctuations in interest rates. We had just seen the fall of the Berlin Wall in Europe and other geopolitical shocks. And believe it or not, Tim Berners-Lee had only just invented the World Wide Web, and the first GPS satellite had only just been launched. I look at the world today and I see echoes of those same events and achievements, or perhaps lack of achievement in some cases, with global conflict, the climate crisis, and the emergence of AI. And yes, I see challenges, but I also see opportunities. The opportunities for your leadership and for the world to be shaped by you. You are the generation that grew up online and lived through the pandemic. You are all familiar with a world that for many feels strange and new. You have the ability to see what can be, to look at the challenges in the world and find solutions. And now, just take a moment to reflect on your achievements and look forward to everything that the future holds for you. And your achievements, which we're honouring here today, would not have been possible without the support of your parents, guardians, friends, partners, and family members. And I would also like to extend my thanks to all of you who have encouraged and supported you during your studies with SIT and Newcastle University. And so, graduates, take a moment, take a look at the people sitting around you. These are the people who have been by your side throughout your time in your taught programs. Take the memories with you and continue to support each other along your various journeys in life. And for those of you graduating today, I would now like to invite you to stand, if you're able, please, and show your appreciation for the people who have supported you with a loud round of applause. So if you want to stand. Okay, now for the tricky bit, sit down again, please. Among our graduates today, we celebrate those earning degrees in naval architecture and marine engineering, electrical power engineering, and mechanical design and manufacturing engineering. The qualifications you have received today are very special. They are the only joint awards offered by Newcastle University and SIT at undergraduate level. As holders of an SIT Newcastle University degree, you are now in the unique position of joining the family of alumni of not one, but two internationally recognised educational institutions, which places a huge premium on applied learning and engagement with industry. You can be both proud and confident that this is an accolade that will position you amongst the most highly sought-after graduates in the world. And at this point, I would like to pay tribute to SIT, and in particular, President Casey Schwa, for his friendship and support. We are honoured to be one of SIT's long-standing international partners and proud to join you on your new campus here in Punggol. Now, Each of the graduating cohorts in this room today have a profound role to play in shaping the future, and each of you, with your skills, values, and ambition, will be central to that change. Mechanical engineers are pioneering new materials, autonomous systems, and artificial intelligence. Electrical and power engineering are designing smarter, more efficient energy systems. Naval architects and marine engineers are developing safer, more sustainable ships and marine technologies that connect and protect our world's oceans. Whether it's creating cleaner energy, transforming transport, or innovating in maritime technologies, the advances of tomorrow will be built on the foundations you, our graduates, lay today. You will play a vital role in developing and implementing solutions to the major challenges facing the world. And what makes doing all this as a Newcastle University SIT graduate so special is that it continues our long history. Our university was developed in response to the first industrial revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries, which gave us so much of the world we live in today. Now, it's fantastic that the university, together with SIT, is again at the heart of technological change, this time on a global scale. As a Newcastle University SIT graduate, you share our aspiration to harness our academic excellence, creativity, and innovation for the benefit of society. You are an extremely talented cohort who will go on to become high achievers in whatever you choose to do. So, don't be afraid to use your knowledge and skills to lead and drive the change required to ensure that we adapt our ways of living, improve our health, protect our environment, and ultimately save our planet. The range of topics you have covered in your studies, along with your problem-solving and analytical skills, will help you face these critical challenges. Choose a career which will both challenge and satisfy you and enable you to be the best that you can be, where you feel appreciated, rewarded, and can make a positive difference. And remember, no one ever reaches their full potential by staying in their comfort zone. So challenge yourself, embrace the journey, and take it all in your stride. And graduation is not an end, it is a beginning. Whether you are embarking on a new career, going on to further study, or travelling the world, I want you to know how proud we are of all that you have achieved and all that you will go on to achieve in the future. As a Newcastle graduate, you are now part of a global community of more than 250,000 members. This network is here to support and inspire you, professionally and socially, wherever you are in the world. And you get two for the price of one by being also a proud member of the SIT alumni community. By being active in these networks, you will discover the opportunities and benefits available to you. So make the most of it. Stay in touch, and you're always welcome to come back and inspire others with your achievements. So, on behalf of everyone at Newcastle University, congratulations, class of 2025. You are our greatest achievement, and I wish you all the success, happiness, and fulfillment you deserve for an exciting future ahead. Today marks the beginning of your bright new future. Congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Glendinning. Dear graduates, as we come to the end of today's ceremony, we extend our congratulations to you and warmly welcome you to the SIT alumni family. Once a citizen, always a citizen. Congratulations, class of 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem and ceremonial recession.